to host a website on Cloudflare for free. Start by logging into your account and pasting your domain from your registrar. Once logged in, click on the site and proceed with the free plan, which includes features such as easy-to-use DNS, DDoS protection, global CDN, universal SSL certificate, free managed rule set, and simple bot mitigation. After selecting the free plan, the system will scan for your DNS records, a process that typically takes a few seconds. This will display your DNS servers and other relevant information. The next step involves changing your name servers from your domain registrar to Cloudflare's name servers. This process varies depending on your registrar, but generally, you will need to add Cloudflare's name servers to your domain settings. For example, if your domain is registered with a specific host, you will need to update the name servers to point to Cloudflare. Once this process is complete, you will have successfully set up free hosting on Cloudflare.